Hello everyone, my name is Dan Rost. I am PTC's product management lead for our Windchill Plus offering, and I'm here today to talk about our strategy and roadmap for our software as a service solution. Today, the state of PLM is changing faster than ever, and corporations are going through technology revolutions to better collaborate with their partners and stay ahead of the competition. They are pursuing ways to modernize how they take a product from the concept and create phase to the manufacture and go-to-market phases. This is where the PTC PLM digital thread strategy comes in and has resonated throughout the PLM world. Most customers, in fact, have already started their own journey with the help of PTC. Making progress in the journey means, in part, making sure your enterprise applications first have agility. Some of the traditional challenges that customers have talked about include how quickly new product programs can be brought up to speed, how well system integrations and data exchange work, how best to manage frequent application changes, and speed of adoption of new features and capabilities. Another part of the journey is to ensure that your enterprise applications are easy to deploy, run, administer, and maintain. This refers to the various deployment challenges that are normally associated with traditional on-premise applications, which include deciding when to do system and platform updates, management of customization, and running the technology and hardware stack often across the entirety of the world in a cost-efficient manner. These areas are big reasons why PTC is focusing on enabling our PLM SaaS solutions, including Windchill Plus. Windchill Plus is PTC's new SaaS offering for the product lifecycle management. It's a Windchill Plus service that is always on, accessible anywhere, always ready to go to the latest version, always ready to enable new features or customer-defined processes in a frictionless and transparent way, all delivered from day one, while also eliminating all of the overhead burdens of what it takes to manage a complex on-prem enterprise application. For users, this means a faster, simpler, and transparent way to get access to new features without the administrative hassles and time cycle of new software deployment. It means a smoother, better performing experience without disruptions. It means not having to plan for managing your product development projects around frequent update or upgrade long weekend outage windows. For administrators, this means methodologies to apply new users, configurations, process changes, and objects like change sets in a self-service way. Most times, not even interacting with PTC or needing to create service tickets. It means not having to figure out long-term plans and schedules to deploy and implement a new capability module just to unlock new value for your users. It also means not having to investigate or tweak system performance or scalability of your system depending upon the day of the week or specific project activity. And it means you'll never have to search your way through multiple product and platform compatibility matrices to ensure that your particular solution is supported and interoperable. The Windchill Plus product strategy is aligned around enabling the full product digital thread with all the benefits of working in a modern SaaS environment. The Windchill Plus destination is intended to offer customers a better user experience and instantaneous on-demand expansion of PLM capabilities. The service itself is ready to go, and PTC is prepared and able to assist with standardized onboarding activities. Once you've adopted Windchill Plus, you'll be assured that your team will always have access to the best, most stable, and most secure collaborative PLM platform on the market today without any of the operating burdens and costs of an on-premise deployment. Plus, you'll have the full power and expertise of the PTC Customer Success Organization available to you. Today, you'll hear about our plans for the Windchill Plus offering and see how our roadmap priorities align with the theme of collaboration without boundaries. There are three primary areas where Windchill Plus delivers value beyond typical on-premise PLM solutions: platform management, application experience, and then Windchill Plus's SaaS unique features. The first area is the platform and the operational management of the architectural, technology, and software stack. To begin with, Windchill Plus brings value with an always up-to-date, always compatible technical stack. PTC takes care of all aspects of platform management, along with platform updates and upgrades, including applications such as database, Java, and operating systems. It also includes applying the latest security patches and other critical patch sets. The takeaway is that this reduces the management burden and hardware cost, allowing you greater focus on higher value business problems. The second area where Windchill Plus delivers value is through the application experience. That is, the day-to-day user and administrator experience with using Windchill+. Each day-to-day interaction that users and administrators have with Windchill+ will be smooth, uninterrupted, and stable. This is delivered in a number of ways, but one example is PTC's use of optimized cloud-based tooling to provide monitoring, reporting, and analytics. With it, you can leverage advanced and adaptive system auto-scaling for performance in ways that could never be replicated with an on-premise deployment. Another aspect of application experience is the impact of application updates to Windchill+ itself. In a typical on-premise model, these often result in user interruption, offline downtime, and disrupted project work. With Windchill+, PTC is able to offer a SaaS update with essentially zero downtime, where users are never asked or required to stop using the system or risk the completion of any transaction. We are also building the notion of frictionless expansion, essentially being able to access any feature in the current release through smart licensing and not requiring a separate install, design, and deploy process. The solution provides increased organizational agility. Design anywhere, manufacture anywhere, support anywhere, and use what feature you need as soon as you need it. The third area where Windchill+ delivers value beyond typical on-premise solutions are the delivery of unique, SaaS-specific additional features. Features that naturally lend themselves well to operating applications in a SaaS setting. Many features that have been a first priority in Windchill+ are in the area of administration, specifically with self-service and distributed administration. This avoids the need for administrators to perform command line utilities and the need to make and rebuild file-based changes. With Windchill+, administration is being designed to be fully self-service with the ability to make and promote change sets, which could include customizations, throughout the dev, test, and production release lifecycle. Through Windchill+, you'll be able to reduce time and effort associated with system maintenance and take a fast track to value by eliminating implementation challenges. All of this leads to an overall improved time to innovation. So that was a big list of benefits. Now let's talk about what the Windchill+ team is prioritizing. PTC's Windchill+ product emphasis in the near term will focus on providing better PLM collaboration, a modern SaaS-like approach to system administration, improved visibility and metrics, all while operating in a high availability environment. Collaboration capabilities, of course, will include out-of-the-box compatibility with our latest and greatest Creo+ collaboration, Navigate, and ThingWorx products. Also, it will include more standard and configurable integrations for third-party applications. This is important because for most customers, an on-premise upgrade often involves upgrade of many applications. We've heard from customers that this extends the planning process and increases the risk of user disruption. With our Plus solutions, we've completely taken this problem off the table by providing you an assured upgrade path and compatible product calendar. And being available on the cloud, you'll be easily able to expand geographically without borders to new user groups and/or distributed partners without having to set up complex data replication or data migration jobs, again, saving you the time and effort of these activities, which are often one-off or ad hoc. I've previously mentioned our focus on making the administration user experience dramatically better. But I'll also use this as an opportunity to add that another benefit of our self-service approach and putting control in the hands of the administrator is that it does it in a way that eliminates the need for multiple support tickets, things you would normally wait for your SaaS provider to do for you. A self-service approach enables access to built-in automation and on-demand turnaround for common system events, and eliminates the need for any drawn-out or multi-step sequence of processes by someone else. I've also mentioned our exciting capabilities around high availability. Ultimately, this demonstrates PTC's commitment to operate effectively in demanding SLA environments. Updates and upgrades will have full transparency with options to even include unique customer validation testing within PTC's automated test framework. Finally, we have plans to improve system visibility and metric reporting. We'll have the concept of dashboard reporting for product life cycles, as well as mechanisms to actively monitor system and license usage. Future improvements on the roadmap also include the ability to create new reports, such as listings of user and group distribution across the product. This will provide you much better insight into how your teams are using Windchill+. There are a lot of exciting things on this roadmap, but it can't come all at once. Our feature introductions will occur at regular intervals aligned around the strategic priorities of the offering. Today, we are making available a turnkey service offering which streamlines and accelerates the onboarding process. You'll hear more about this in a following presentation, but in this phase, we're laying the groundwork for the migration and building the application and self-service capabilities for the operations user experience. The next phases we're actually already working on. After onboarding, we're prioritizing the capabilities that will realize operational value and user admin experience. For example, items that you see under Phase 1 are the distributed management of users and groups, zero downtime applications of patch sets and system updates, and mechanisms for administrators to submit, build, and deploy unique system configurations and change sets. Over time, we'll also see incremental progress and uplift in the expansion of our offerings. We understand that many customers have unique business requirements that lead to customization, and our goal here is twofold. One, we want to enable Windchill Plus features to eliminate the need to customize, and two, provide enhanced guidelines and checks to ensure that clean customizations are agnostic to system or platform updates. We also have ongoing plans to expand the notion of self-serve and frictionless expansion to new PLM collaborative features. So that's a quick overview of our plans. Thank you very much for listening, and please reach out if you would like to hear more about any of these capabilities. PTC is very excited about this transformation, and we are always looking forward to your feedback on our plans.